So if you want to see length retention, you want to see some just like your soft curls and what is it? You like to do things 10 times. Come back here.
I need some water.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Cheap Lazy Natural Squad. Today we're gonna continue in our series of how to build a bomb hair regimen, and today we'll be speaking specifically about conditioning and deep conditioning. Aren't they the same thing, you ask? I guess we'll find out today.
Woohoo. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you at the end.
Yay, hope you enjoy it.
So there are two types of conditioners, normal conditioners and deep conditioners. So I'll first be speaking about normal conditioners. So normal conditioners just basically help replenish the moisture in your hair that you've lost after you shampoo. So what that means is, you know that once you add shampoo, it basically strips away most or all of your moisture from your hair. So now when you apply conditioner afterwards, it's basically gonna re-moisturize your hair and make it soft and pliable again. The thing about conditioners, normal conditioners, is that you usually apply them on your hair and then you let it sit on your hair from 1 to 5 minutes, more or less, depending on like what the product suggests. But I would say 1 to 5 minutes. Yeah, that is basically it for normal conditioners. So now with deep conditioners, they also kind of do the same thing as normal conditioners, but they do way more. So they're also supposed to be used after your shampoos, so they replenish the moisture that you've just lost, but they actually add more moisture than your normal conditioners do. Additionally, they have like ingredients that have really good nutrients and minerals and proteins that actually just help your hair be healthy and help your hair be strong, acting basically as a food for your hair strands, essentially. And yeah, so now deep conditioners, you're supposed to apply them on your hair and then you should let them sit on your hair for much longer than you do a normal conditioner. So I would say let them sit in for at least 10 minutes to half an hour. Also, you can use added heat to make sure that that deep conditioner penetrates into your hair strands even better. So the type of heat sources that you can use can be like a hooded dryer or a normal blow dryer. Actually, you can just use it and then just dry your hair. I mean, not dry your hair, you just like blow onto your hair as you having that deep conditioner sitting on your scalp, or deep conditioning bonnets. So deep conditioning bonnets are just literally like a bonnet or cap that you place on your hair, and it creates a nice warm environment inside, and it just basically acts like a hooded dryer. You can also use a steamer, or you can take advantage of the fact that you might be in the shower and put on your deep conditioner and then, you know, just wash your body and then take advantage of the steam that's all around you, and that will also help you deep condition your hair better. With both deep conditioner and normal conditioner, you always want to mainly focus on your ends, because your ends are your oldest parts, so they need the most moisture, they need the most love. And that is it for conditioners. I know.
Okay, so now we're gonna give you the breakdown of how our deep conditioning processes differ. High porosity, low porosity. So for me as a high porosity chiquita, deep conditioning is important to strengthen my strands, again to reapply moisture, because like if I just walk to from the bathroom to my room, moisture's gone! Okay, maybe not that bad, but like I lose moisture very easily. So that gives me a chance to like replenish, and also if I do deep conditioning that actually have protein, I tend to do that a lot because I need it as the high porosity and the medium to thin strands go. So that's what I do. I don't condition at all. I just think it's like an extra product that my budget can do without. What's your process?
Okay, so as a low porosity girl, I don't really need to deep condition too often, probably like twice to once a month. But just because of the benefits that deep conditioners have, like the added nutrients and that it makes your hair stronger and healthy overall, I deep condition on a weekly basis. So I also don't use normal conditioner. I use it only for pre-pooing process, but I don't use it like after my shampoo. I just use deep conditioners just because it's so beneficial for your hair. And if you really are struggling to have like healthy, beautiful hair, then you should definitely be deep conditioning as often as you can. I mean, okay, By often, I mean like no more
Weekly.
than once a week. And yeah, it's just very beneficial for your hair in general. So that's why I do it all the time. I mean, every week.
So another very important thing, which is kind of like a side note for the girls that like to do a lot of protective styles, especially like braids, just before you go and get your braids installed, do an intense deep conditioning treatment, because you're really just setting yourself up for strength, for moisture, and then your hair can actually handle all of that weight from the braids or whatever it is that you're going to be putting in. So if you want to see some luscious curls on your head, some length retention, be sure to incorporate deep conditioning. So deep conditioning, guys, if you're a natural hair girl, I wouldn't say is an option. It's a must. It's just the frequency of it that's a bit different for each girl.
Yeah.
Yay! So thank you so much for watching again. Hope you're enjoying the Building a Bomb Hair Regimen series. We'll be coming to you with the next part of the series very soon, and we'll link the previous video, the previous episode at the end and in the description box, so please stay tuned, and thank you for your time. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.
Bye.